get into medical sales? It's a question we're asked almost daily. I'm Paula Rutledge, president of Legacy MedSearch, an executive search firm working exclusively in emerging medical technology, with another issue of Medical Career magazine. So, how do you get into pharmaceutical sales? Let me start by defining the type of pharmaceutical sales positions. There are many subsegments of pharmaceutical sales, including traditional and specialty pharma drugs, biotech, biopharma, and medication delivery, just to name a few. Pharmaceutical reps call on a wide variety of customers, including physicians, pharmacists in drugstores, pharmacists in hospitals, folks in nursing homes, therapists, and just a lot of other specialties. Nearly all pharmaceutical companies require a minimum of a bachelor's degree, and many require some previous sales experience with a company that has former sales training. If you've worked for a copier company, a telecom, a services, or consumer company in a sales capacity and have a solid track record, then pharmaceutical sales could very well be for you. To begin your quest, make sure that your resume is rock solid in terms of experience and has quantification for your past successes. Don't just put on there, had a 12% increase in sales. That's not specific enough. A better way to document is something like this. Number 2 of 33 in the region, 7% of quota, or something that's very, very specific. You can find a whole lot more tips on our website. But the point is, make sure your resume represents you well, since competition for these jobs are very fierce. Second, research the companies you may want to work for. Beyond Googling, look through your medicine cabinet, or walk through the aisles of the drugstores, or check out a physician desk reference or PDR from the library. If you have an interest in a particular disease or condition, start finding companies that manufacture products that treat these conditions. On our website, there's a 24-page document, it's free, called the Medical Device Interview Prep Guide. It has a ton of research sites and links. It's divided up by specialty, so you might be able to look there and find some other places, other companies you can look at. Okay, so you have an idea of the companies that you want to work for, but you still don't know how to get a foot in the door. In the largest of companies, resumes are sometimes pre-screened by sophisticated candidate management software. That said, here's 5 practical ideas for breaking into the business. Number 1, use networking sites like LinkedIn or Plaxo to find a fellow alumni who works for one of your target companies. Number 2, network through your social resources to find one of the millions of individuals who works in some capacity for a pharmaceutical company. They don't even have to be in sales, you're just looking for a contact. Number 3, ask your favorite pharmacist, dentist, physician, therapist, nurse, or other medical professional if there's a pharmaceutical rep that they can introduce you to, and then offer to take that pharmaceutical rep to lunch. Number 4, when you're in the waiting room at your doctor or dentist's office, you'll sometimes see a pharmaceutical sales rep wearing a name badge, carrying a bag with the logo of their company. If you do, and you're feeling well enough, strike up a conversation. Once you've networked to someone within the company, then do your research on the product and the company. Again, our website has a lot of great tips for researching companies and even more about the actual interview process. But suffice it to say, you want to know enough about the company and the product to be able to ask some really great questions before you get through the interview process. So, that's a few tips in this issue of Medical Career Magazine, sponsored by Legacy MedSearch. Don't forget to check our website at www.legacyMedSearch or our forum at www.medicaldeviceguru. I'm Paula Rutledge. Thanks for joining us.